Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. After learning about all the doc solutions, it's time to move on to the doc organization. You may access it on your account information under your profile picture. Doc organization lets you personalize your DOCONCHAIN account by putting in your brand. This is a part of our branding feature that helps you promote your company or simply distinguish your organization when you send your document request. We're now here at the doc organization dashboard. If you are under the enterprise plan, you will see tabs here for your organization, manage credits, credit history, and request more credits. On the right side, you will also see all the credits left in your organizations. Here you can see the parent organization and a button to create sub-organization. Before creating sub-organization, you need to configure first your parent organization. To do that, you can click here and on the gear icon under the parent organization. Once clicked, a modal will appear for your organization details. This is where you can update your organization logo and your organization avatar. You can also edit here your organization name, logo link, which can be the link to your website or any page that you wanted to promote. You can also put other details such as the address, phone number, or any significant information that you want to share to your clients. Once done, you can hit save and your organization will be updated. If Make My Organization the Issuer option is selected under the settings during the document signing process, the recipient will then receive your document request under your doc organization name via DOCONCHAIN. On the signature request, they will also be able to see your logo and click on it, and they will be prompted to your website or to any link that you put on your doc organization. They can also see the information about the issuer as your organization name and the creator as the account holder name. That's it for configuring your organization. To find out the other functions of the doc organization, see you at the next video. Thank you.